right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're back inside of the deploy a contract to the EVM section of the module. So let's move right on. So moving forward, it might be a good idea to update some of the parameters in the transaction dictionary. For example, one of the things we need to update is the nonce field, which is the unique number that is used to identify the transaction. What we might do to help customize the transaction is set the nonce field to the current number of transactions that have been sent from the account. This is done using the get transaction count method. The get transaction count method returns the current number of transactions that have been sent from the account, and we can use this value to set the nonce for the transaction. This should help our transaction actually run, as the nonce is a required field for the transaction. We can get the nonce by using the following code. Nonce equals w3.eth.get transaction count, and we're going to pass a parameter of account address. Since we need an address to get the nonce, we will need to set the account address variable to the address of the account that we are using to deploy the contract. This is typical address This is typically the address of the account that we are using to sign the transaction, but for now we are going to use our Envo terminal and copy an address from a list of accounts that are available to us. Once we have the address, we can set the account address variable to that address, and then we can use the get transaction count method to get the nonce for that account. The address will be located in the Envo terminal, and we will see them as we scroll up in the terminal. The address will look something like this. So this is what the addresses will look like. Actually, we're going to actually open up the terminal tomorrow, the Envo terminal. We're going to run it, and I'm going to open up the terminal so I can show you what the addresses will look like, and I can show you where they're located, and I can show you how we actually implement them inside of our contract. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.